Barakallahu feek, Shaykh. I was wondering if you can give some general nasiha in terms of how to give da'wah to the non-Muslims, how to bring tawheed into the conversation, whether it's talking about interest, talking about business or anything, how to slip in tawheed, give da'wah by way of that.
When you deal with the kafir non-Muslims, you shouldn't talk to him about whatever you have inside in your house. Don't go into a discussion with him about, let's say, marrying 4 women or talking about interest or those things. You believe in it, because when he came to you to discuss those issues, he doesn't believe in them. So he's already blocking his mind. He's not accepting those things. What's the problems you should talk and discuss with him? It's about the messenger being sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the day of judgment. If he believes that the Prophet has been sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever comes later on will be so easy to discuss it. Like Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, you know the story when they came to him and they told him, did you hear what your friend said last night? He said he went to Jerusalem in one night. He was living in Mecca, he went and came back. He said, did he say so? He said, yeah. I said, I believe in that. And that's why they call him Siddiq. He said, if I believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed I believe in that. That's the discussion about going from this place to another place. Now, if I believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Muḥammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, if you believe and you have the true iman, so there is no problem to believe everything he will say. Even if he tells you, go outside every day and stand under the sun for 2 hours, class you take without question, because if they believe in something greater than this issue, which is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent. And if you believe in him truly, so whatever comes from him, whatever he tells you, whatever he tell you to stop doing, you believe in it without any question. So the kafir, you cannot discuss with him the beauty of Islam and what we have, the nicest thing in it. Talk to him about the message itself. Do you believe? If he starts believing in Muhammad, the rest will be so easy and so clear to him.